We get so many homeowners saying they go with the partner because of us, because we actually pick up the phone and the things that we can provide and the value we provide. And a lot of the homeowners were asking us about battery coverage. We see a higher adoption rate. We see about a 20, high 20s adoption rate across the country. Some markets it's 95%, right? So we see this ever-present need to bring this battery warranty on. So now we have a 20-year battery warranty. And what does it include? Well, it covers the parts, labor, and the truck rolls, and the battery replacement, right? And we also include monitoring. And just like on our PV warranty, on the solar warranty, we have on the battery warranty, we have manufacturer default coverage from Zurich North America member company. So that means if the manufacturer fails to support the product or goes out of business, then Zurich will step in and pay the claim.